In this Christmas Ornaments Asset Pack, you will get 160 Christmas Ornament 3D models, created with Blender. The ornaments are pre-set up in Blender's asset browser, so you can easily drag and drop the ornament models into your holiday scenes. The ornament assets all come with custom thumbnails in the asset browser, and they are sorted into catalogs. All of the ornaments materials are created with Blender's procedural shader nodes. The ornaments are designed to work in both the Cycles and Eevee rendering engines. To set up the ornaments in the asset browser, just download the product zip file. Then you can extract the zip file and you can place the folder somewhere on your computer where you want to store the assets. Then just open up Blender and go to the user preferences. You can then click over on file paths and you can open up asset libraries, and then click on the plus there to add a new asset library. Then just select the folder that contains the asset Blender file. You can click on add asset library, and then you can save Blender's user preferences. You can then just open up the asset browser in any of your projects, select the ornament assets, and drag and drop them into your Christmas projects. If you'd like to purchase the asset pack, you can find the product links in the description. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the asset pack.